letter A.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
The letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Kids, let's see some objects that begin with the letter A.
Yahoo!
A is for apple. Apple. Apple.
Cool!
A is for alligator. Alligator. Alligator.
Awesome!
A is for arrow. Arrow. Arrow.
Hooray!
A is for ant. Ant. Ant.
Wow!
Well done, kids. Now we have learned about the letter A.
I love it!
This is an apple. An apple begins with A. Apple. Apple. Letter A. A is for apple.
Cool!
Oh, there is an ant. I think the ant wants to eat the apple. Ant. The ant loves to eat the sweet apple.
Wow!
Letter A.
Hooray!
Let's write the letter A. Slant down, across. Circle and a short standing line.
Yahoo!
Let's do it again. Slant down, across. Circle and a short standing line.
Yahoo!
Let's repeat it one more time. Slant down, across. Circle and a short standing line.
Yahoo!
Subscribe for more reading videos.